Hi! Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Absolutely gorgeous 3-bedroom brick ranch west/2-car detached garage in a fantastic location. Home has a flowing floor plan that anyone would enjoy. Ample room west/living room at entry and additional family room west/cozy fplc. Kitchen is open, has endless counter/cabinet space, and amp, is open to dining room. Third bedroom was previously combined with a fourth bedroom to allow for more space but could be converted back by new owner in order to provide one more bedroom. Home has been well maintained and amp, has a new septic system. Finished yet garage has a breezeway attached to home and amp, is a great place to sit and amp, enjoy nature in your own yard. This home is such a unique property and amp, can fit so many needs. Bkyd is large and amp, has a shed to provide extra storage. Your home in the country awaits.